If you want to build a website or app faster with AI, Hostinger Horizons is a great place to start. In this video, I'll show you how to use Hostinger Horizons step by step, from logging in and generating your project to editing it and publishing it live. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, go straight to your dashboard. This is where you'll find all of your hosting tools, website options, and AI features in one place. From the dashboard, look for the Horizons option in the AI Tools section and click on it. This will take you into the Hostinger Horizons workspace, where you can start creating a website or app with AI. Now click Get Started. This begins the setup process and opens the prompt area where you tell the AI what you want to build. This is one of the most important parts because the better your prompt is, the better your results will be. Type in a clear description of your idea. For example, you can describe the type of business site, portfolio, landing page, app, or online store you want. Be specific about the features you need, the style you want, and the purpose of the project. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. Hostinger Horizons will now use AI to create your website or app based on the instructions you gave it. Depending on the complexity of your request, this may take a short moment, so let the AI finish building the first version of your project. After it loads, you'll see the generated design and the content appear on the screen. At this point, you can start editing your project. Look for the Edit Content option in the top toolbar. Click that, and the editor will open so you can make changes to the text, layout, and overall design. This is where you can refine the AI-generated result so it better matches your brand or personal style. You can update headings, rewrite sections, change buttons, and adjust the structure of the page. You can also add more sections or features if your website needs them. For example, you might want to add an About section, a contact area, a testimonials block, or more product details. Take your time here and customize the project until it looks right. After making your changes, be sure to save them so nothing gets lost. When your site is ready, it's time to publish. Click the Publish button, then choose whether you want to use your own domain or a subdomain. Once you confirm the publishing settings, Hostinger Horizons will take your project live. This means your website or app will be accessible on the internet and ready for visitors to use. And that's how to use Hostinger Horizons from start to finish. You log in, open Horizons from the dashboard, generate your project with AI, edit the content and design, and then publish it live. It's a simple workflow that can save a lot of time, especially if you want to launch fast without starting from scratch. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.